let's play with colors. So what I'm going to do is wow, there is a difference. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'll leave this on. Okay, I'm gonna create a new folder. So this is where I'll be doing all the adjustments. Yeah, this is part of me being organized. So what we're going to do, first things first, let's go to the camera filter on this, click on the skin layer, camera filter, wait for it to pop up. All right, so zoom in, look around. I want to make this image a little bit darker, so I want the highlights to pop, but we can have a little bit of contrast, so I want it that way. The blacks be black at 20, negative 20, negative 20, and I have your whites at 20. Okay, so that's plus 20 minus 20. Now this is just the lighting that I'm touching. Okay, and the shadows, do I need shadows? At this point they are too dark, but I'll lift them up a little bit just to see what we have, because there's a background which I need it to stand out. Okay, let's do 25 on the shadows. Okay, let's go back to the colors now. The brightness, okay, let me just click OK. Now I'll create a duplicate of, no, wait. So what we've noticed is that the highlights are popping, but we're going for a darker look with the image. So what I'm going to do is if I disable this, we have this image. Okay, the highlights need to go. So first things first, I think we're gonna go back in the camera filter. So we're here on the color highlight saturation adjustments. We're gonna add a little bit of let's say plus 5 of this, 6. Then let's drop the luminance. Okay, now this that I'm doing, let me create, I'll save it as a preset. Okay, so reds, there's red in a skin tone, so if you drop it further, 21, that's okay with me. If I can zoom in, that's okay with me. Okay, we get in there. What colors do we have here? These guys. So I'm gonna boost them up a little bit. Then I'll work on the brightness as well. This is the luminance. Drop that. Drop it there. So negative 50. Let me try 60. Negative 60 and negative 20. Okay. With the Huey and the such, let me get into there. Here you can choose the one that you need. I like it this side, and if there's any blues, I'll prefer they go in this direction as well. Okay, so this is already amazing for me. So with the reds, I'm not gonna play with it so much. I'll go to the oranges and I'll just negative 6 on that one. Yeah. Okay, so zoom out a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna click OK now. This is what we have, something more settled. So now I can begin playing around with my I've corrected the image, done the color toning. Now let's go into the grading part. So I'll go on the which one is this? The selective color. Which color are we working with? The reds. So I'm gonna rename this layer to red, or rather reds. Okay. So there's cyan here, which I'll throw. Which side we have? If I throw it all the way, this is what we have. If I throw it all the way, this is what we have. So this gives you 2 points in your mind that you need to pick and balance between. So I'll start from the maximum and start going backwards just to see how much I'll like. And as I get closer, at 9 seems to be good with me. So let me try the opposite, which is -9 on the other side of the scale. I think I'll work with -9. Then magenta, throw it a little bit off. So if you have magenta all the way, you are throwing it to the greens. If you take it aside, well, yeah. So I'll start from here and I'll be going backwards, and I'll stop when I like what I see. So here it's a game of preference, but if you like what I'm gonna do, I'll create something and save it for you. -8 or +8. Yellows, we go all the way, that's what it gives us. We go all the way, that's what it gives us. So which side do we want more? I want this side. So we're going to be coming back with it. Okay, I like it at 5. The black in the red, do I want it bright or darker? I don't know. Okay. Oh, look what we did. Goes this side. Okay, so I'll leave it at 3, because remember we're going for a darker image. I'll leave it at 3. But also, let me try 15 is the one that's gonna do for me. So here we still have a lot of magenta, should I say, or is it the yellow? Let me turn it down a little bit. Yeah, it was the yellow. So let's not touch this guy. 0. Okay. This time we're working on the secondary color, which is the yellows themselves. Back to 0. Okay, I will have the cyan on in the yellows at 69. Then wow. So I don't know which one is gonna be okay with you, but I know that'll be okay here. No, I think -8. On the black side of it, okay. So 18, I'm okay with that, but we did mention we're going for a darker edit. So I'll take it a little bit up. Okay. And start coming down. Let me see which one is okay. Okay, let's do it 5. So we close that. Okay, it's closed. Let's go selective this time. What other color is present here? Let's go to the magenta. Now this is not being affected though, because it's not the opposite of the color that you're working on. Let's come here. What do we have there? What do we have here? What do we have here? So we can look at the lips, push it down and up. I like this much more, but I don't want any yellow in it. Okay, so black. You want bright lips or darker ones? So I'll leave them at 30. Okay, so this is magentas. The focus on the magenta was to work on the lips and some portions of her cheeks. Okay, so let's get back to that. I'll add another one. Let's go to the neutrals. The black in the neutrals should be brighter or darker. We said we're going for a darker edit, so +1 is okay with me, but on the yellow side I don't want too much yellow in it. So this is the neutrals. So what I'll do with the neutrals is I'll drop the opacity from here to 20. Okay, so if you want to add that cinematic shade to it, then you can play with the blacks. Okay, magenta. Okay, so with the blacks, I'll as well drop the opacity to 20, just like in the neutrals. Okay, so our image is almost done, but there's a little bit of work to do with the sharpness. So smart sharpen. Okay, that's more like it. So I've chosen Gaussian blur because that's the effect we're using initially to work with the skin texture. Now to sharpen that, this is what I need here. It says remove Gaussian blur. I don't want that to happen so much. Okay, but these are the settings I've had all along. This is my setting, the level of preference. So you can tweak it around, just see but you don't want to have your image too sharp because it's just going to look broken in the lens. So this kind of works at 89. No, okay, let's leave that at 155, the radius to 4, and your noise 1. Click OK. Now zoom out. Okay, just wait for it. Okay, let me zoom out. No, before I zoom out, let's look at the comparison before and after. Jesus Christ. I'll click undo, then I'm going to click duplicate this layer. So I've removed the sharpening that we just added. I took it out, then created a copy of this skin layer. So we can rename that to sharpen. Now to apply the last edit which you did, you click and hold Control and Alt, then you press F. On Mac, you're gonna have to do that with the Command, Alt, and F key. Okay. So the last effect we did is going to be applied to the layer we have selected. Now you can see the amount of sharpness there is, I would call it too much for me. So what we are going to do is I'll go on the opacity and start playing around with it just to get something a little bit realistic. And I think already at 64 I'm comfortable. So you can work around this as well to your preference and which one is good. Yeah, I think even 60 for me will do. Okay, because if I shut it down, this is what I have. Yeah, 60 is okay with me. All right, so there we go. This is what we have, and now I'm free to hold all these guys and throw them in the folder. I just like being organized. That's me. That's, yeah. Command G is for creating a group. So I just want to see the effect of let me drop this group in here. Okay, so basically I just want to see the difference. There's nothing much we should have done there. I just want to see the difference between the old edit and the new one. So we're looking at two images. Wow. So this is what we have up against what we had. Okay, so you guys can go in my comment section, give me a heads up, tell me what you would like to see, what you could have done different and better, where you feel you didn't understand. Let me know. Otherwise, this is it, and thanks a lot.